So you have you got American oregano, honey oat, and delicious heavy. Which one you want? Okay.
I want the one.
Honey oat.
I want so what about Reddit? So
You tell about.
Any spicy or normal?
Mama,
Tuna?
huh?
You want tuna? Seafood, you take?
Not much.
Tuna, eh? Oh, whole tuna. Or you want sausage?
Yes, I want double chocolate. Yeah.
So how much? How much? Oh, so you have? How much money you have? Thank you.